Hi everyone, it's Maria and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how a harvest day looks like here in Kanekiki, because every Monday and every Thursday we do harvest days, so today we're gonna go and harvest some delicious fruit. So yeah, we are getting ready, and together with my friend Kat, she's over there, and she also has a YouTube channel, so definitely check it out. I will link it down below. We are gonna go together and just pick some fruit, so let's get started. So here we have our papaya trees. So Kat was just looking if we have some yellow ones, because then when they turn yellow they are ready to pick, but none of them are ready to pick, so we're just gonna move on to that direction. So here we have some turmeric growing in the grass over here, so you can see some roots over there. I think it's really hard to find something, but yeah, I know it grows here. And then over there we have ginger growing, and that's much easy to find from what I heard. So yeah, like right over here you have ginger. More papayas. So now we are going to check out the jackfruit.
There's a gecko on it.
Oh my gosh, this grass is just... oh wow.
See? Oh, it's on the other side now.
That is ginormous. It's so funny how it grows like from the tree on the bottom of it. Like it just amazes me. So right now we are picking some oranges. Those trees aren't really that tall, so you can just pick with your hands. But when something is really high, you can just use those tools. So this is for picking like really stuff that is really high, and like oranges, avocado, stuff like that. And this is more for papayas. And also we have our machetes here, or however you say that. Yeah, so they look like this, and you cut bigger stuff with it and smaller stuff with those rice knives or comas. Yeah, and that's all we need.
Okay, so here we have an unripe bunch of bananas, and the way that you can tell that it's unripe versus ripe is that first of all there's no yellow banana on there. When the bananas are ready, there's going to be at least a hint of yellow or one yellow banana, and the banana flower is plump and it's not shriveled up, and the palm on the banana plant are really lush and healthy looking. They're not shriveled up. So you can see that it's still utilizing the nutrients coming from the palm and the rest of the plant.
So we are in the banana land one more time, and we are checking if there are any ripe bananas or like ready to pick, because they are not ripe yet. Some are over there, but they are not ready to pick, so we have to wait some more time. So Kat is just picking those bananas right here. They are ripe. You can see like this one on the top is yellow. It means it's ready to be picked. So you can see, oh my gosh, so many of them are yellow. And yeah, then you just cut them with the machete. Maybe I can take a picture of you.
There we go.
Yeah, that's perfect. Uh-huh.
That's okay.
Papaya! Oh yeah, it's there, it's there. I don't know how to like take it down because this stick is so long.
Yeah, so what you could do is you could either pop it up and catch it, or you could lean it towards me and I'll grab it.
Okay. Oh, you can grab it.
Yeah, that's
you can
kinda-
give me my phone.
Really, I think it'd be kind of cool to see like me grab it.
Okay.
Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, so slowly just lean it towards me. It's so safe.
So tiny.
Yay!
Yay, we got
Woo!
it! Perfect! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look, there's a papaya flower right here. It smells so nice. I wish I could like transfer this smell to you. Maybe one day science will get there. So, see, there's like this random fridge in the middle of nowhere here, and it's like growing. Everything is growing on it. That's so funny. And here we have coconuts, so we have to be careful when you walk near them, not to get hit by any. Yeah. So that's all we harvested today. So there are some bananas, some cacao, papayas, avocados, oranges. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. That looks really nice. So now we have to brine everything we harvested just because of the snails and rat lung disease. Is it called like that? Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
disease.
So we brine it. Is it water with salt here?
Water
Yeah.
and salt.
Water and salt, and it stays here for around 1 minute. And then all of the bad stuff is gone, hopefully. So yeah, we're doing that. And then we're gonna rinse it with water.
So, you want to hang up your rack of bananas. Usually you want to find a knuckle, which is, let's see if we could find one over here. So this is a knuckle. And get it underneath it. Here's a knuckle too, so you want to make sure it's underneath it so it's able to hold on to it better. But as you can see here, the knuckle, the closest knuckle we have has a row of bananas on it. So that can be kind of hard to wrap over it, so we're just gonna flip it over and use this side. Yep, and then also the reason why we hang up these bananas is so that they could ripen without putting weight on top of them, so they ripen up nicely, and it also prevents the rats and like other critters getting to eating the bananas.
So now we are putting all of those things right here, so some of it has to still ripen. Some of it is probably ready to eat right now.
Thanks for watching our video. That was our harvest. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
Please,
And
please.
We'll see you next time. Ciao.
Bye.